Welcome back, everybody. Frankenstein C20 here today. So today is Saturday and we are in Pacific, Missouri at the big car show here in downtown Pacific. And they've got pretty well every street blocked off here. I was actually trying to overheat as I was making my way through town. And but we made it here without overheating. We're good. We got parked and we're set to go. So we're going to go ahead and grab the camera, take a walk through. We're going to be here all day, it looks like. So anyway, enjoy the ride. We'll be right back.